Cause Andrew and I have traveled all over the world together. Man, we got miles and miles of nothing but fucking miles. I talked to Brian about it, Frank too. Holly already knew, yeah, Holly already knew. When I was hot boxing outside of the lanes, dodging potholes in the wind and rain. This is insane, a single car accident with a never-ending radio playing. Sleeping in the van out front at Gates. Up at 6 when I was out too late. I said what I came to say. Now I only complain on highways. And I got miles and miles and miles, and nothing but miles and miles. Can't stand songs about writing songs. An album's over, 40 minutes long. Broke up bands on their third reunion tour. Damn, Bowie both should've quit at age 24. I got 2 jobs and a girl back home. Collection agencies calling on my prepaid cell phone. Don't take skill nor luck to never amount to much. But I got miles and miles and miles of nothing but miles and miles. Miles and miles and miles of nothing but miles and miles. When this is all and for nothing. When this is all and for nothing. I'd rather stay broke than play fake ass shows. Move apart, sing from your soul. If you can't play, then dance instead. Music should sound like Escape, not Red. Music should sound like Escape, not Red. Music should sound like Escape, not Red. When this is all meant for nothing. When this is all still got miles and miles and miles of nothing but miles and miles. Miles and miles and miles of nothing but miles and miles. That was so fucking good. Oh, they're contagious too. Because I don't know what's gonna happen next.